everyone, welcome to Crafty Kids at Kingston Libraries. My name is Debbie and today we're going to do some Christmas craft. We're actually going to make a really lovely Christmas tree frame, as you can see here, which if you would like you can actually add a photo to that frame. So how did we make it? Let's have a go. Very easy. All right, so what we need some icy pole sticks. We need some paper towel. We're actually going to do it on the paper towel. We need a little black piece of card or any colour card that you can use as the pot of your tree. You need, and some gold stars to add to decorate around the tree. With PVA glue, of course, but you might like to use something else like sequins or confetti or some tinsel or some glitter. Lots of different options. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to attach a piece of string, because that takes a little while to dry. So let's just put a bit of glue at the very top of one of our icy pole sticks and be really generous with your glue, because the glue dries clear, so you're not going to see it. Just grab a piece of sticky tape and wrap that around your stick. Okay, so that's going to be one part of the triangle. Okay, the base of the triangle, we're actually going to add our pot. So let's do that. So we've attached that like so and center it so it's in the middle there, like so. There we have it. So we've got the bottom part of our tree, we've got the top part of our tree, and then we've just got our other side of the tree. Okay, I might actually turn that around so you can actually see the tree as it forms. There we are. All right, so let's just add a little bit of glue at the end there. Add that to that, and then we're going to add some glue here and some glue at the top there, and we're just going to leave the tree in its place so it has time to dry. Just take a little while to dry completely. There we are. And now the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to add some little blobs of glue randomly along the three sides of our tree. Don't worry if a bit of glue isn't exactly where you want it, because it'll just dry clear, you won't even notice it. So I've almost finished adding my little glue spots, and I've got a very special star that I'm going to put at the very top of my tree like so, and then I'm just going to put the rest of my stars along my tree. Start on one side and work my way round, creating a triangle. And I notice my tree is moving a little bit, so I'm just readjusting it. But it's a really good idea placing it on the paper towel. Means you're not ruining your bench top. You can wipe your fingers at the edge if you need, like I just need to do. And I've almost done the second line, and I've just got one more line to go. Wow, it's going to be Christmas before we know it, isn't it? What have you got planned for Christmas? What have you put on your Christmas list? There we are. Just a few more. Looks like I need one more out of my box. Oh, there we are. There's one on the bench. Perfect. There we go. And there, girls and boys, is my beautiful Christmas tree with the string ready to hang up. I'm just going to let that dry for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to find a lovely photo. In fact, I have found a lovely photo that I'm going to use. I will trace that. I'll just place it underneath and trace around it, cut it out and glue it again on the back of my tree. And there is a really lovely, simple Christmas tree, Christmas gift, or something that you can hang on your tree. Right, I look forward to seeing you again for another Christmas craft. Cheerio for now.